Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to move picture layer in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see move picture layer. Now going to the firstly open the picture. Now click from open up and place option. Now select find your picture. Now click open. That it's. Now you can see then I show the two layer. Then I open the others layer. Now you can see then I show the many layer. This layer in the move. Then I show the first layer and move the up down and under, and last layer and move the above. That is. Now you can see move the layer in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.